Have you ever wanted to bring your computer outside and it's freezing? This is the 2017 Nature Setup DIY Guide Nature Edition. Dang it, Felix. This is the 27. I already said this. I'm already exhausted. Okay. Oh yeah, here's the boxes. That works, don't you think? That's like a desk, right? Look at this desk space. I could work out here all day. We got a few computers out here, actually. This is actually the newest MacBook Pro. MacBook Pro, latest technology, perfect addition to our setup. Gonna make a great setup. Okay, next we got these Beats wired headphones. We've got Beats audio. Next, we're gonna need light so we can see. I couldn't afford a lamp. So, we've got this disco prop from like one of my older videos and nowhere to plug it in. So, if you look up at the sky, just go ahead and pan up to the sky. It looks kind of cloudy, you know, rainy. The sun's not out. So what am I gonna do if it rains? Well, the obvious answer would be get an umbrella. But I can't afford an umbrella. I mean, have you seen my view counts recently? I'm not making that kind of cash. We're gonna have to compromise and use Walmart bags and make our own umbrella. And there we have it, folks. Our setup is completely waterproof and ready to go. All that we need now is power, and our setup will be ready to power on and everything. Let's go. I think we lost it. Salvage this video. We can still make the setup. Yeah, the setup. There we go. It's 2017 Nature Setup.